iPhone yami. You also rolling.
Sasiqalile.
Kumele uyibeke kuwe ne.
Sesiqalile baba.
Chila nami episode 15. Usho uri episode 15. Oh.
Sesifike episode 15.
This is a press ane mara siyasaba.
Yeah.
Ingasuke disconnect yonke lento. Ningahleki ninjani bafethu ninjani?
How is it good every week in week out? Sine problem ye sound.
Ah no akusi problem sound. I problem I app e sound. Sound.
Technically sound.
Oh. Siyaxolisa.
Yeah.
Siyaxolisa. Ninjani? How are you guys? How? Wonloku busy indalo njalo phambi kwethu.
And like I'm indulged.
Yeah indalo nje kumnandi. Ni shake ni mic lapho nina asina imali ukuthenga enye mic.
Sekumele sibe romantic man.
Sharing skills.
I-Valentine's guys,
Ivali.
ningawari.
Abazi introduce
Yeah,
yourself.
please. Abanye angithi bayamazi
you know
Kensani
me,
siyamazi,
you
Kensani yani yamazi Kensani kudingi
Umunyisisa simazi.
friends of the podcast. Ungasabi imic ayilumi ne.
Hi guys. You little money.
Yini ngathi nervous nje.
I'm not.
Why intanga bonke abogqina bezala abaneva? Like why niba nervous?
Ngiba polite. I'm just polite.
So every day is
Mina
it?
kancane ngiyavela.
And uzovela hayi sikumele vele. Cela ngisuseni lento lela phansi lena. Niyibekeleni le.
Ngoba vele.
Aba sponsor mfethu. We don't Fihle nje emakemereni. Fihle nje impela. Okay ke.
Siyayishushubisa.
Let's go to the first order of business. Ninjani guys, ninjani? Hey.
Kunini babuza ukuthi njani?
Ninjani.
Yazi
Namseng nervous.
yazi uvalo lakho luphi?
Nginervous
Yazi uvalo lakho luphi? Ngiyabona umjita azokuthi uzokushela. Athi hello. Athi njani? Siyahlela.
I love you and how are you? Ugcina sokuthi I love you and how are you? Ubani igama lakho? Nami igama lami yimi.
Athi ugela vela kula athi okay.
Yo. Nami ngiyaphelela ke la ntwana.
Like nishelelani?
Don't smike like ngicela ukuthi nikhumbuleni ngiyazi ukuthi siyaphuza.
Wena wawungalaleli.
Bakumele
Sihamba kanjani ama voice?
Mina phela mina ngigqoka amathatha inkoke
I
hayi
need to
phela.
ya check nje just for my levels manje and then you switch on.
it's off now.
Oh,
No,
mina
yes, I-
anyway that side.
Then we share the ama heights.
Oh, eish.
Story
Classmate.
of my life.
Uyizile le nto ikezakala
Ay
phela.
kanjalo.
Yo. Okay.
Okay, should we switch?
Nah, ngitsuishilo ukuthi ama heights.
No, like the way you
Uwe mfethu.
go.
Okay ke.
I think vele mina I was supposed to be this side if you think about it.
Angithi uzifake maphakathini.
Ngizithanda shaka.
Yeah.
Ngiyaswitcha. Fanele angithi mina ngikhuluma kakhulu. Fa ngingifaka isiphathini mina ngingashare le ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep le nto mfethu ngoba manje.
What a nice podcast. We are sitting up during the set
live.
Yeah.
Sis grand manje.
As for life.
Okay.
I think mina ngizoshare le. I think le right to share.
Like mic ke.
Na hey.
Oh.
Ngithembi mina. I hope la ngibonakala.
Sis
Ngibonakala
right.
kahle hlatsman.
Clatsman.
Angireflect
We good,
light
Ankere.
anything.
Like yacaba ntanga sesinabo ma 3
Rolling,
minutes or 5 minutes
rolling.
loku sirola ne.
Yeah, but hey, first thought of the day. Niyayilandelela i-Campfest? It's too high, ne?
No, 2020 chaka ifake. Sure.
Campfest niyayilandelela?
Cima sound.
Yeah.
Yini?
Yeah.
Yini le?
Campfest.
Kwenzakalani la?
Like it's
Ikuphi?
like
Iyava.
people are showcasing their cars. Well, isn't it Soweto? Is it Soweto? Soweto, yeah.
Le VW.
Stands like it's a showcasing
Oh, ina khona le VW.
event.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So the big story that happened lapha batshontsha amanto my brother. Eish. Batshontsha ama headlights wemoto lapha.
Oh, atshontsha bobani?
Angazi kusemsontra.
Sicaleleni phansi ne.
Like I'm sure by your cars and stuff, so by don't headlights.
Sicaleleni phansi.
I've never been to Campfest, but I think maybe
Maybe khona la bajika basuka khona, baya
like you
somewhere,
park your
yeah.
car and then you go somewhere.
Okay, sicaleleni phansi. kusho ukuthi late level lezibona opportunity ukuthi sebabamba
And they clean highest dog. 15 cars gone. My headlights.
and ama-headlights walapha amazenoni
Ngiyabona le and amount. What's this? Brand new models lawo amntu amapholo. So cabanga ukuthi malini la itikeli one. Replace the one. Headlight boy.
my brother unibone plan
Dog, you know me. Mus. Somewhere I see it on the net.
okay I know my brother so babatshontshela ama-lights and then abatholanga ne-culprit eyi-one
Yabona ama hustling boyfriends wenu.
and vele abo-means ngiyadlala
Yakho ngathi personal.
ngiyadlala
Allegedly. Uyithi. Yibari.
This is one.
ngiyadlala
Slendi mina allegedly.
No, like apparently.
apparently lo-legit into eyi-one it's not the same thing
Babusongishayisa ngey'ntombi zamaZulu.
ngiyadlala
Yeah.
ngithe ngiyadlala
Wait, okay.
yabona that's why ngingafuni ukuthi sicale i-podcast sengibudlenyana ngoba khonto engizozikhuluma engamelanga ngizikhulume my brother ngiyadlala ntwana
Uke wajala nomuntu owestance Lola man. Don't you find them cool?
yini into emnandi lapho
Stand anyazi vele stand. Awes boy.
No,
For the culture.
it's not for the culture. You know, Mina, it happened like unexpectedly because what happened like during the relationship and stuff.
my proud
So kahle kahle uzama ukuthini ube ne-influence ukuthi a-drop imoto.
I wasn't the influence. Uthi bokudefend. Uqophe imoto because udefend.
So kuyenzakaleni usasekhona namanje? Uhambe nayo culture.
ubuze 6 boyfriends late like 6 boyfriends late
It's really heavy. We only broke up like I think officially last week.
Oh shit.
hayi silanda namhlanje ne-elish yazi
Ngishilo mina ngithi stand ekunini ngimtshela buya Slender.
bekaculula
Bakuthanda shit.
ngaphandle silanda ngithi sibalekile upuleng
So Spanish.
konje sakayosipulengisa
Hayi,
kasifana
sasebenza
big ups ntwana
Big
sikhumbulile nawe mara
big
uzabuya,
up,
uzabuya.
shout out.
Shout out,
We are happy for you pushing the
Asicaleleni
culture.
phansi ne
But yeah.
asicaleleni phansi
When what did you see?
asicaleleni phansi
Wait, before ngibuza but ladies first. Is there anything interesting you saw during the week, guys?
Umntwana abantu abambulalile.
Yo, Joe, I saw
Victoria,
that. Oh my
God.
days.
Lo abambulalile.
bambulaleleni
Wathi i-boat driver. And it was a woman.
Ngicela uyibekele emlomeni lento le makhuluma ne. Then yeah.
okay ke wo bambulale because wenzeni
Bebambamba inkunzi. Emotweni. Cabanga you're a boat driver and then here I come ngihleli kulefi. Hey. Masibele sama. I'm like, thathi ifoni. Lo semuva sekayeza uya chop slam. Akuhlanganisa le.
Hey, my brother.
It was
uchokuhlima mina manje
But I have the story, ne? But the
oh
trending.
you do know the story right?
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Trending video of a man and a woman. Trending video of a man and a woman hijack what seems to be an e-hailing driver.
ke sekgowa njaka
They choked him to death while he was.
ngaboni
Ngiyabona wena sana ehlanje isazalsali. They choked him to death while he was in the driver's seat. That's the story.
that's the story
So after Vele,
So
I watched the whole
so kufe bani
the e-hailing drive.
oh
So
usavieni usaphila
usaphila mara bamtholile.
So the culprits, it's a woman and a man. The woman was sitting on the
Oh.
left and the guy was sitting at the back. I think they were poltile, ne? And then they
sicaleleni phansi kanti i-healing yini
Bolt driver like
oh
thina ngithi you know with our language sithi upoltile. Yeah, he's a Bolt, but it's
ngesilungu
e-hailing.
yawena
Yes.
hayi ningayenza ngathi nazi isilungu kudlula mina
Awu, dog.
Excuse you.
last speaking kuyoshaya isilungu serious
Wena futhi.
soliciting
Hayi mfana.
soliciting
Mara sekho la.
oh hey
But yeah,
Hayi, on that note
on that note,
nibonile ukuthi khona imadlanga commission America
wait. Yakabani?
Yaka Epstein, yaka Epstein.
Yes, I did.
uyibonile
Le bathi uDonald Trump naye apparently guys.
No, ama Epstein
no.
files
ama
msla.
Epstein files imadlanga
Oh, it's
commission
imadlanga yase-America.
Apparently no Jacob Zuma bekakhona kulawo.
ya sikhulumile ngayo last week vele
Shocking.
usitophe langa episode wena
Baba, the most shocking thing I don't know if we spoke about this last week, but DJ Spoo is implicated in this thing. We say Madlanga
Epstein.
Commission.
For
Oh, madlanga de madlanga.
Madlanga commission not
Not the
Hey.
sengisho ukuthi
Uthi nje useka eSteni bengizacabanga ukuthi that's why akhulisa inwele.
I thought Zahara would be worse.
Angithi phela mabuye ukuhlala abantu abarich nokuba ne
Yeah, apparently, well, allegedly, DJ Sbu is implicated in the Madlanga Commission via ukuthi he benefited from amatenda waseGuruleni
More fire.
municipal.
makes sense.
So this guy is hiding behind more fire, pushing ukuthi unemali kanti maybe. Mara release a statement I think why deny wonke ama allegations.
Yeah, angawa deny ne. Mara according to my speculations, look at one thing my brother ne. Untwana first things first, badli imali kaZahara my brother.
Wait, kwenzakalani? Navele badli imali kaZahara.
Badli imali
Yena no
kaZahara.
futhi it's not him only, it's him and
I-record label
TK
yabo angithi.
TK Nciza.
TK nayo use-record label.
Yeah, but they mentioned
Yeah,
yena no TK Nciza.
yeah obvious angithi uri mali nganye ba mention
TK Nciza. Yamazi konje ubani lo lentwana le shy 3 step. Jazz Wax.
Jazz Wax, oh yeah.
Ngizwa ngishaywa nguvalo. Do you know that
The
song?
producer,
The
Yes,
producer.
yes, I know.
Babaki. Yeah.
Okay.
So he's in the
Aqalele phansi
political
futhi.
space.
Awukazi notice awukazi notice ukuthi almost wonke umuntu ose-industry nowenza music it's either ba related nomuntu onemali or famous.
Wait, okay. Wonke umuntu kwi-industry. Wait.
Yeah,
Music industry.
entertainment industry,
Oh,
nje,
entertainment.
actors and whatnot. Ba few also
Yeah,
bathola.
it starts there because it's a tender kokucala makuzophuma. Let's say you know ukuthi movie yenzwa kanjani ngithi.
Sure.
There's some funds that are released and then
Sure.
batwenza movie.
Sure.
Itenda ngithi. So some politicians bayagain from there.
Why bayenza ama casting call makunjalo ke? Because no
To follow the procedure.
Masenza movie no ne. They already know ukuthi sobiza uPretty Boy, sibiza uStar,
Dog.
sibiza uLulaman, sibiza uSplendor.
Right,
Say
well,
Peredi
it's
Cash.
well known. Did you guys know ukuthi
It's
it's well known, dog. I can say it's well known because now position my advertise sometimes tell ukuthi already say no muntu. Se baya follow the procedure
procedure,
just for
banga
black and
jumping.
white, I understand.
Also lento le ayibona uyayiniwani le kusho.
Nah, it's well known, bro.
Hayi siyabonga. Clatsman, awuphoreka ngalapho nkabe yami.
Hayi, Clatsman is all right.
Clatsman akakho hipa, ngithi Valentine's namhlanje. Yaphuza lapha.
Right.
Hayi Valentine's namhlanje ubibi wakho umkwatela.
Yeah, nina Valentine's nibathengeleni abantu
Hayi
benu.
yasixolela phansi, why ni la vele ngeValentine's?
Ayo mfethu.
Ke Valentine's.
Awu. Leza jwanga.
Shout out to my man. You blocked me, but shout out.
Kanti
Ah,
mama mina
ublocked
Happy Valentine's Day.
Hawu bakublock nokublock.
ngakublockile. Wenzani ukuthi bazi
Okay,
bakublock?
boys.
Siblockeni, sibheke nesablockana.
Hayibo.
It's live. It's live. It happens.
Hayi yagowisha.
Stand up, uhleza nedrama, dog.
Intanga. That's why ngimfuna le
nedrama,
podcasting like
It
ngifuna something.
happens. Shout out uyazazi.
Shout out yazazi.
Shout out.
My brother.
Ufana nontwana makathi shout out Christmas like khona ezinye izinto no man. Okay, on a lighter note ne. Ngibonile unena kai no Thoughts.
Hey dog, I wanted to ask you about that. Ngicela opinion yakho ne. Ngicela umniki mic. Ngicela opinion yakho.
Andakakhuluma lula manje yazi. Unena kai.
Nadia Nyakai no Entos.
Yes. Balo bayabambana lapha yana uTos bamba induni bambile la nduni.
Lula Mani. Would you date a guy that's younger than you? Precisely 10 years younger than you.
uTos 10 years younger than Nadia.
Never.
Yeah, I was
Unana
searching
kaduna
to
34.
35.
Yeah. uTos 25.
Those not 25. I
Those
think
looks like he's
Futhi I think
31.
he's turning 26. Those mncane dog.
He looks like he's 31.
He thought that came as a shock.
Ufana no
Eh?
pastor, upastor nangaki.
Mara wow. You know what when I continue like when I tried searching Vele like yabona ngenza investigation. Only those posted
Yes. Angithi music video
TikTok.
yakhe leya.
So kahle what if abajoli it's this thing yokuthi
I-
music video.
Someone said ngathi zoba serious then. Ne. And I was
Nah,
like,
bruh.
"Hayi, dog, it's a music video, dog."
Music video.
And yacava yenza ubani le music video?
Remember
Yenza uReason.
konje uba noTito, uTito ngubani?
Tito Maswangwai.
uTito noZinqumalo. Same thing happened.
Izanayo.
Ukuthi bayajola bathathi ngiyakuthanda mami
le ntwana leya ekhala leya.
Okay.
Oh.
Happened ukuthi
Le ntwana leya ekhala ikhuluma ngazo.
Hayi mara le yakatosnonare was too intimate yo.
Khona la utosa abeke ubuso bakhe
Dog
emaketeni.
ubambe lesiyasibunu dogo.
Grab.
Thomasibuni.
Yabona.
Wangithola chat. Yazi uyacabela leti ngithola chat.
Obvious.
Hayi yakushaya yeah.
Man, oh, there's one streamer I wanna shout out, ne.
Baloko ba ring ito yabo sitshela noma bibile enze njani.
Sithi asinawo amararho thina agribwayo. We don't have ass.
Benifuna
Moving
object.
on.
Worldwide.
Sorry Shem.
Benifuna object.
Land no, yikho sikhulume sithu.
Mara ne represent angithi represent iland.
Iland angithi. Anazi ukuthi amajita athanda iland.
Hawu mfethu, mawuportable uzolibeka
Because
lenyama.
why? Because Slender never gets tired unless
Ah,
the owner is reckless.
Slender.
Wait, what? Iphinde
futhi.
Slender never gets tired unless the owner is reckless.
Eh wawa,
mina ngazi-
fast talking.
Yazi mina ngazini mina ngazi ukuthi ilenga zithatha yonke. Ifuna.
I guess that's why Slender
Yeah.
never gets tired.
Tshela kahle maqodo ifaka abuti kuba ikinya kaofela.
She's advocating for Elenda.
She's advocating.
Brought to you by Cylinder.
Slender. Worldwide.
Slender worldwide. Amene sigayela IG land ntwana Slender worldwide. Yeah.
Yeah, uyaba urepresenta zonke ilenda.
Ntwana.
Urepresenta zonke ilenda.
Konje ngithi ngifuna ukuya kuphi? Kanti ngifuna ukuyisha. Yabona nama nathi sikhuluma kakhulu la kule podcast.
Angithi abo sisi kumele sikhulume dog, if asikhulumi.
And vele cabanga asithuleni sibhekaneni once. Ke Valentine's.
Valentine's.
Katala.
Guys,
So guys in.
I had a male best friend
Straight.
that killed himself on this day.
Ukhuluma kancane.
Yo.
Phinda futhi.
I had a male best friend that killed himself on this day.
On this day.
Valentine's.
Yes, namhlanje like ushonile today.
Uzibulali
How many
namhlanje.
years back?
Yeah,
Hayibo.
6 years back.
Oh,
We
not
were,
now.
we were
Okay.
in grade
Ngo
10.
2020.
10 netho.
Ba reject igift yakhe ngeValentine's ne?
Apha inhlukelo yakhe umfebele wathi and then yo
Was offer?
Was off.
Bani gama lakhe?
Asini interrupt my brother.
Nope.
Uba nika malakela.
Yeah.
Nope. Also.
Manje why was the use of telling
Now
us this?
uyazazi because like shout out to you Chomi.
And on
Gone but not forgotten.
on that note abantu
Then
abazibulalayo.
ice from- Chomi, I'm never with the ice from China.
Okay, but China.
Kwenzakala
Like ita ngamabukela every time yazi gathi ngadiva ngikhuluma noyithi kuphela.
on the note abantu abazibulalayo ne. There's something I
Hayibo,
saw.
wait.
There's something I saw my brother ne.
Alright my brother.
Athi ngizama ukuba serious ngoba ngiyabona ngathi siyadlala la. Siyadlala la. Siyadlala. Danga omunye this is sad feel yabo. Le sad. Nale yakhe
Okay.
sad feel ne mara le sad.
It's set up.
It's sad. Yeah.
Set up.
Chuma in 2022 Bafana Sithole was accused of rape by Amanda Nzimande. And then untwana wasibulala feel.
Oh.
And then maqeda ukuzibulala khana athi uyadlala lo mntwana. She's not facing any consequences.
Like we've been
Female.
Yeah. I was about to go there, man. I was about to go there. Lento le if beyenziwe out.
like Joe, wait,
Yeah.
wait. So like you guys, you should know what's like lento dala
Dala,
Dala, we've been
yeah.
talking about this thing,
Yeah.
but now
2022, 2026 manje ne. Lo mntwana lona accused untwana of rape. Untwana wasibulala and she came after sekazibulala ukuthi bengidlala.
no
jail time,
charges, no
nothing.
ati, no nati.
Nothing.
Right, like everything is
Right
nice,
to be like yeah.
for false
false
cue.
accusations
Yeah.
and stuff.
It
But
was
I
supposed
don't
to
know.
happen,
But the
now-
thing is, we don't know how that goes. Who
Ifamily
opens the
yakhe
case?
bekumele-
So, but
ifamily
kumele
bekumele-
ama
yeah.
charges because you lied and our child
Uzibulele.
So
Basically, you
need
committed
to-
attempted murder.
Defamation. Nakona is defamation.
defamation
Yeah,
of
okay.
character,
In-
false accusations. Yeah.
So
Attempted murder.
would we say Uguti? Okay, you were saying Askisi. I
No,
saw.
like, I feel like if black society lacks knowledge in that.
Okay.
Yabo.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, you were saying. Yeah?
Askies.
Ngithi if black society lacks knowledge in that. Mhlawumbe bona but you
They were not aware of it.
didn't know.
Okay.
What to do?
what to do.
Yeah, yeah.
So they just left it hanging.
Lack of
Mara
knowledge.
namaphoyisa now was advised.
That's the thing. If society has built this thing, yokuthi if it's a female,
Yeah.
kumele azizwelwe. But if it was a male, if it was vice versa,
Well,
Baba yo.
death penalty. Isasekhona lento leyo la eMzansi.
No.
Why?
But I feel like
thinking-
yazi maybe ukuthi why amachita angavula ama case nani already writing sekutrainile. It's like le ndaba kaThagi.
Yeah.
You saw Uthagi's matter. You understand?
What's going on Qatar?
Utagi was falsely accused of GBV.
Uthagi le.
Yeah, urapile ne? Was it ukuthi urapile as well? Yeah.
Uthathi ulona beka
Piano Pulse.
Oh, longaka lo.
Uthatho Heart.
Lo fana na yazi mangibheke wena ngikhumbuza Thato Hearts. Khona le ngoma engithandayo kaThatto Hearts bra. Ini igama lami. Hayi igama lami. Ngiyayibona. Iyatrenda khona igama lami. Noma ungaqhela ngegama lami. Yeah. Ayi mfanami. Hayi that song. Fun.
No mama, le
Uthatho
wasisikhulile.
Heart. Ufana noThatho Heart.
Hayi ngiyakujutha. Asichubeke.
I knew it.
Ngiyadlala siledayo. Ungikhumbuza every time angithi slender like ngiyasho Thato Hearts. Kamalam. Yeah,
Oh, on a lighter note, angicela ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi lento le sesibasedi kakhulu
Oh yeah,
manje
bengibuza ukuthi mara inkinga ukuthi indaba yakudala indaba
Uthagi.
kaThagi.
Seyidlulile ngithi mase afuna
Seyidlulile.
ukushaya
Because-
amagunzo wa Kelvin Momo.
Mara apparent ile ya Kelvin le. Oh my days.
Yeah. Apparently,
Kelvin-
allegedly.
What happened now?
Kelvin
basically-
sent yeah, you can say
So basically, Untwana said something. It's an inside joke, guys. So ngicela yona later on the podcast. So basically, Kelvin, no, Uthagi. Uthagi spoke about yena no. Kujubani the time I did.
Siso.
Yeah, quite the time I did. Angimthandi.
He's the one who apologized.
He spoke about Ubabalwa on the podcast. That Ubabalwa he has a drinking problem basically. Yes. After that, khona abantu bafuna ukumshaya eklabhini Uthagi.
No, wasn't it
Bamlandela ngithi yona sana.
wait, wasn't it the fact ukuthi Uthagi said Kelvin Momo doesn't pay royalties?
Oh.
I think it's
Uphinde wakhuluma
that.
something naye. Oh no, I thought because they were chasing him.
No, I
ngoba
think it's
nesifo.
that because it happened after that
After that episode,
Yeah,
yeah.
and then
Okay.
apparently or yeah,
Kodwa
apparently
bayayisayina
Kelvin-
i-petition ukuthi vele i-cancel nje leya podcast.
Hayi piano
I
pulse,
saw
that's
people
open chat.
no, it's not
Open
piano
chat
pulse
is
now.
Sino.
It has a
Yeah,
petition.
nah,
It
No,
has a
it's-
petition. A petition. Petition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Petition is
Yes,
for
uqalile futhi.
Ile
for
nto.
Piano Pulse. Not
Petition.
Abosini.
Nabo sino nabo.
No,
they're
nabo
supposed to get
ipiano
consent.
pulse. Even
Yes.
nabo busimo. Every podcast nathi maybe singaba nayo.
Hayi thina sase ku 70 my brother. We are still young.
That's reality.
Abo sino konje benzeni? Oh, they spoke about Thato Hearts now.
Ah.
Abo benzeni bona?
Oh.
Kunje bayenzila.
They spoke about Thato
Manje
Hearts.
vane sikhumbula ukuthi amanye ama podcast
Hayi
bayenzeni.
futhi yazini. Hayi.
Okay, sharp.
But uKelvin Momo uthumele bathi apparently bekasemotweni ahleli athumele lamagunzu akhe.
Lezo zingako lezo sihlezi. Zingakanani lezi asibani. Emshaping. Mara I don't think Kelvin Momo Thato would never do that dog.
Man,
Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Bisola ngeke Thato.
But bathi amajita kaKelvin and makasho yena uThagi ukuthi makabuza iSecurity la iSecurity yashuta lawo ndaba bava noKelvin.
Mhlambe security libhekele podcast.
But anyway,
Let's just continue on a lighter note, guys.
Yes.
Teben Koko.
Teben Koko.
24 hours set.
Yeah, when
Yeah, Joe. I had you.
But-
Oh my God, which means ngizotaka namhlanje.
yeah.
24 hours
But
set.
you know what I wanted to say, ne?
Yeah.
Yazi inkinga yami kuphi mina ne. Now so ngathi big deal lento afuna ukuyenza. It is a big deal for the piano game. But it's been done before.
24 hours set by who?
Wena, 24 hours.
I had it in passing. I had it in passing, ne?
Let me come with it. Let me learn. Black coffee did 3 days, guys. Liquid dip. Black coffee did
Black
3
coffee
days.
phela
It's
ki-
not
ki-
piano
house.
black coffee.
That's what I'm saying, Nkiri. That's what I'm saying. Guti. Right now for the piano game, mamela uzwa ngithini? For the piano uzwile ngithini mangqala?
Oh, yangiphaka,
For the piano game,
yangiphaka,
angithi ngiba serious manje.
yangiphaka.
Ngiya podcast manje.
Yangiphaka.
Ngiya podcast mfethu. Ngithola ukuthi ngibridge nje. Nya askisi nyadlala. What I'm saying, Antona Shatsman, we
You guys, yabona you too. You too.
Since
What did we do?
that's why bengafuhlala phambi kwesilenda ngithi.
Lady Jaja.
I really judge.
Lady Jaja.
I really judge.
Hayi man, that's why bengafuhlala phambi kwakhe. Soloku sihleba la. Ngizozama ukuyiplayera boy, ngizozama ukuyiplayera. Le uthi ufuna ukuphuza lento le siloku si So nje ubonisa abantu ukuthi wenzani moselokishini.
Asingidakiwe manje. Ngoba sengidakiwe ngeke ningi.
Ama register ufaka amazaza boy abakuboni. So now,
Akuze.
but again, it's a big accomplishment for the piano game. This thing.
Yeah.
It is for the piano game.
So-
but for DJs, it's been done before.
So now, if it's like piano 24 hours and stuff, how
I'd
much
say
is
it's a
the
record.
ticket?
How much is the ticket?
Yes.
I don't know. I didn't check. I get my can I advertise. Let me see.
Please check it. 'Cause I'm
I don't
feeling-
think I'm a ticket
See, no
corner.
sleep,
Nah,
16
but palang, I'm a
hours,
ticket.
no
Ticket
sleep.
says are not yet out.
16 hours no sleep.
No,
It's not 16 hours. 14, 24.
Isangikhulumela phela ingoma kamuntu wakhe.
Ngicela ungitshele istory
Oh.
sayo. Please.
So
tell me
basically,
story
Devin
sayo.
Coco announces 24-hour marathon DJ set, pushing endurance and artistry to the limit. You know, a problem yami. Yabona le phrase lebebeke kanjani.
yeah.
Endurance and artistry. Khona umuntu yenze 3 days, ukhuluma nga 24 hours. They were supposed to say a game changer for the piano game.
Hater.
You know? No, it's the way they put it. Kule article yakuthola manje. So now, for the piano game, njengoba ngisho, for the piano game, big ups. Spanning. Mara for about DJ worldwide, like 24 hours. Bampekile about 24.
Maratog, who have you seen on DJ piano 24 hours?
That's what I'm saying.
Joe-
For the piano game, it's big. Mara for about DJ internationally, all around the world.
Oh, they've
Bumping
done it
artists.
before. Okay. But the thing is, she's going to own the patent.
Lula yathi bathatha balona king ne lento lekumela ngasiphuze before the shoot. Aningizange ngithini. The article ibhale wrong lento. I am not saying lento ayenza wrong with Devin Coco. For the piano game, what she's doing is very big, my brother.
Okay.
Internationally for DJs, it's small water.
Yeah, but mina into engisho ukuthi izoba nkulu kuye it's big because
Yes.
you know why?
Piano.
It's piano.
That's what I
And
said.
Mamela, she's a female.
Oh yeah, oh okay.
Oh.
Mara why yonke into mele sifaka female lapha.
Injalo.
So,
Yeah.
Devin Coco doesn't asikhulumele English. Sayiphelile.
My bundles.
Angithengele time.
You can use this one. Yeah.
English. What's this?
No, it's fine. When
Usilenda
into
u-
ukhuluma
yeah,
kakhulu, so it's
ukhuluma
fine.
kakhulu, yeah.
Mina yabona this one I can understand. So simple.
Devin Coco, my brother, ne? She when it comes to craft yakhe,
Yeah.
she doesn't consider herself a female DJ.
Mm.
Uyi-DJ.
Wait, sorry. Ngicela ukubona lapha ekuthibaleni.
Ndiyo.
If it's we are in the middle of the podcast, we're talking
I
about
need to
something
like
serious.
WhatsApp so funda amacheto akhe. Am I hidden?
Am I hidden?
Tepo uhidden.
Ukensane uhidden.
Jobe uhidden.
Mina ntanga ngikho lapho.
Ukensane uhidden.
Hayibo katleo. Hayi wena uhayira amachita amabaya kanje.
Samachita. No, aksamachita.
Awubani?
Hidden.
Samachita. Samachita.
Ubani uZedzi?
Khona not zezi lapho.
Hey dog. I need to like WhatsApp. It's phone. I need to like WhatsApp.
Ase uyilayitile like.
Sikhulume ngayo.
Sikhulume
ngayo.
Khona uZezi
Sikhulume
lapho. Nami
ngayo.
ngimbonile ngathi red.
It's sikhulume ngayo nami ngimbonile. Ubhale ubhale mamela. Oh, wena baba kumbisa Zedzi.
Zedzi.
Nombone Zedzi.
Baba khona ngathi ngamkhale link yale podcast abhekelele uma umbiza ngoThetsi.
Ubhale Zedzi.
Mara udedi like DADDA.
Unamanga. Ubhale
Zedzi.
DZ.
Athi
ADDY. Tell me my brother. Tell me my brother.
Oh uZezi.
Tell, hey dog, ubiza ubabakho ngothi Zedzi.
Ya wena khona no Ben 10 khona la.
Yakubheja babakho.
Hey,
dog.
Khona no Jobe.
Ngitshelile.
Jobe with the
Uhidden uJobe.
Bokumbonile wonda lo.
I think apparently he has cancer.
Oh, if it's cancer it's understandable.
Apparently.
Akapeni inkawu zama sijobe.
Use this one.
Yeah. Kwaphuma izinto ukuthi
Ungaforce ukukhuluma nami
That's why
ubhekene
ngiyabona ngisondeza kanje ngizokunika yona ukhuluma.
kwaphuma like
Give it to me and then
What are you saying? Wena kwezakalani? Enhle ngine yini inkinga yenu? Akusamele ngasivumele ukuthi siphuze before the podcast, yazi?
mina ngirise.
apparently after Ukilakau died,
Yeah.
until he disappeared. After
Which one?
he like a friend.
Yeah.
Umngani kamngani.
Oh, yeah,
You know
yeah,
that
sure,
song?
sure,
He
sure.
disappeared. And then he
Angiyazi yazi.
Oh yes.
I'm just agreeing because ngifuna isitori
And
siphele.
then he came back. Maka came back aseka.
Sekawundile hamba kabuhlungu.
And then it allegedly that he had cancer and he was fighting cancer.
Sicaleni
njengoba
phansi.
malaria.
Sicaleleni phansi.
Mhm.
Sibuye lokushini sonke la ngithi. Siyazi ukuthi mawundile yini angithi.
Why lo athi uphethe i-cancer guys ngathi manje i-cancer is sexually transmitted.
Exactly.
Chiwo like
Oh, was it? like because I read on Insta ukuthi no uJobe London is like cancer what.
It's like cancer.
It's like cancer what?
No, it's like suffering
From cancer.
Yes.
May le cancer le
It
iyamqeda.
wasn't cancer yaqedana vele.
Cancer iqeda inyo lekucala. Futhi nakhona inyo leziqeda iqedwa
No, but it does happen
chemotherapy.
because
If you kuma stage wokuqala.
Now on Google it.
Sho ukuthi bekangazi okoko.
Guys, but it is what if ne-breast cancer njengoba eyafela.
No, bathi emele uzibambela amasayidini uzilampu ukuthi khona.
Namanga. Umam Lillian uthe simunye amabele so that we prevent that.
To prevent cancer.
Kumele kumunya babeli.
Baneke ba unyanye matswele. Sansane ba unyanye.
Le podcast ngeke right namhlanje.
No, mina lento le bafethi khona ike wa trend like I'm being for real now.
Eating.
Mm.
As in like matswele ma.
Like yamazi lo mfana lo uyicilile like
Di Matswele.
engidlala nayo ibhola labo bafana labo.
Really?
uChester nomawela.
Udlala nabo fa.
They know me. NW.
Abo matswele.
Oh le phezulu le. Ungamelanga usho ukuthi yeah, you just supposed to say tertiary mfana.
Yeah. Ishmael sibazowazi ukuthi ingqondo
Khona.
ikhona.
Ukuthola UIF.
Amtshela sindele
Okay,
1000.
Yimi nje islim.
Now ku WhatsApp sicela ukubona lapho.
Yeah,
Awucheck lapho ukuthi khona abantu uhide bani lapho fast.
Hayi.
Check
UIF.
Check who is she hitting.
Yes.
Sitshela into interesting.
There's PDF novels.
And bathi
novels.
reference.
Ungazifundeli. Bafethu, ngisafunda ama chats la.
Bathi Rafa yiko oh yasdisturb kahle kahle.
Khona uketso lana.
Uketso.
Ukitso.
Hi. Kakabo.
Khona izuko, awuzuko nyamazi. Uzuko nyamazi.
No.
Ucile mic.
No.
Nanga wethu ngasayenza.
Khona ulamani.
Asayenza.
Oh, angimbizanga mara. Hey.
Wena why uliphinda?
Usho wena ukuthi.
Ulaythi mic ke.
Wena why ungibiza ngizekhatha phela kunankinga.
Why cut on
Dog, we outside. The beef na yeza.
outside?
Guys, bazoshaya mina.
Let the mic ukhuluma sibuzo.
We can't hear you.
Can hear you.
Because this is like irrelevant.
Light mic.
Sikhulumele.
Ubeke nomeli mic.
Mic.
How?
Amakalona ya.
Yabona man light iWhatsApp nihleli la nathi.
Ningahlali nathi nento
Guys, nama ngisho ngimele UIF yami. So I need to check out this
Wait.
messages. because
UIF.
Yeah.
Tell us what happened.
Kanjani?
What happened kuthi when qualify?
Unemployment insurance. Yini unemployment insurance.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wait. UIF.
Yeah, contract yami endile.
Okay.
I was in
Imali zakhe.
education.
Okay.
Ngangena UIF what claim my
Usebenze
money and stuff.
usebenze
Money.
how many years?
6 months.
Ufuna UIF.
Chumi nawo mina.
Imali
UIF.
yethu.
Ngicela ukusho ukuthi iphumile at
Awusitshele.
2.5.
Oh.
2.5.
Yeah.
Ngiclaim mntwana.
Why? Ngiyayifuna.
Ulahani.
Ngiyayifuna.
Ungezani ngayo?
Ngibroke. Unemployment. Bathungu.
Oh, unemployment
Unemployment.
insurance fund. Insurance vele ngiright vele.
Yes.
Mina ngazi ngikhumbula
Why ngifila ngathi ngiyangijaja?
yazi ngikhumbula ini.
No.
Yazi ngikhumbula ini mina njengoba ngikhuluma nge-UIF. Ngikhumbula iCOIDA yabo. I-compensation of injury in the workplace.
Why ngathi ngiyangijaja?
Mina honestly bengicabanga ukuthi imali emo.
I-UIF
Kanjani
mili
nje ngisebenza 6 months?
That's the thing bengazi.
Bongazi.
I didn't know that you worked like for 6 months.
ngicela ungidashele mfethu.
Serious, it's true Bob.
Kanjani sisi?
Yo,
Classman.
Sisi.
Seliphila mo.
Kanjani?
Kanjani?
Neki sa tsebi.
Jwang.
Like I was expecting boma 2,500.
Yiyo leyo.
It's a 2.5.
Kanti 2.5 yini lo man?
Uthe 2.5.
2.5 yini ke?
2,500.
So wena expecteni?
200,500.
Oh.
Why sizite one? Why sizite one? So it we thought good to 2,500.
Uyithe 2,500.
Did I say that?
Usho kanjalo naye.
Hayi shukusho right. Hayi shukusho.
Podcast yethu akela na cancela ntwana hayi. Sizonakele sharp mfethu. Ah hlathi mina akakho grand mfethu. Tona ka ubahluko rekele plane ticket.
Oh my.
Why bad?
Hayi Alex Rasi PayPal patete. No, mamela. iphepha lingibhadalile boy awucabanga ngithengele plane ticket boy uvaya kusasa no ngisirazi iphepha lingibhadalile mfethu
Sathi thine why Binsang bafethu Abudi was good. Hey ngisho kahle athi ngisho.
Abudi was good, yeah,
Abudi
yeah.
was good.
Yeah.
Abudi was good. Hey, talking about
Was good.
Amachangan. Did you guys
Oh,
see?
amachangane was good angena manje.
No, I'm alluding
No,
to
Nina,
that.
you guys are talking. You are talking.
Zingishayi.
Player boy.
Yeah,
It's a disrespectful word, yes.
Ngiteshele.
Oh, yeah, bekuteshela wena into
Oh.
enzishayi. Bengifuna ukusho riding. Did you guys see Uxolani has been implicated in a scandal of like that he killed someone again, a Nigerian drug dealer.
Kolani lo waku
Uxolani Khumalo sizokuthola.
Oh, no, mele weyimia. Apparently.
He's something of the Action SA.
Right now he was running for mayor. Bathi bafuna ukumranisa for mayor what? Mayoral position. Ngicela ikhapla mntu
But then
for Gauteng.
But then now someone was killed in a truck bust labor by Yenza
Yeah, I'm
HUC.
also feeling.
So it's a Nigerian.
So
Get the story.
wait.
Get the story right. Now people, but apparently people are protesting which no, the guy should be arrested.
Okay, asicela phansi. Lo muntu lo file was he a drug dealer or not?
Yeah, he was a drug dealer.
Ngicela ungifaka lama ice amaningi ne.
In Nigeria.
Wait, was he a drug dealer or not? Angithi my sometimes you can be Nigerian and not be a drug dealer and be suspected of being a drug
Nigerian
dealer.
is giving drug deals. Let's be honest.
Okay, fair, ne? I understand that. What I'm saying is you can be accused of being a drug dealer
Yeah,
and then ufe into ongayazi.
true.
Yangithola?
Yeah.
So was he a drug dealer or not? My brother Fidi?
He was.
Uzanini la? Uzanini la?
Two ways.
Shout out to
Ngeskipa
let's keep us akosikoyile mara.
Right, sure. Like wenze yonke into right.
Wenze
Mara let's
into
keep
right,
us kodile.
le yonke into ugqoke iManchester United.
Company jayo.
2 ways.
Uthulani.
Yes.
Thulani.
Sakadakiwe.
Udakiwe manje.
Thulani.
Yena umazi wena lo sisi.
Uyabuza ukuthi ubamazelaphi.
Aceleni phansi, aceleni
Abangani
phansi.
bami abe
Abayi-2. Wenzeni?
Thulani.
Yini ubarepile?
Akabarepanga.
Oh, hayi, awubarepanga boy.
Can't even
Mina
hear
ngicela
you.
ukuthi barepile. Hey, i-GBV sasirasi la.
It's
He
still good.
gained so
Still
much
good,
weight.
Yeah,
He gained so much weight. Bengamboni. I had
yithi
to
kuphela singageni mfethu.
squint my eyes.
DJ two ways.
U-2 ways, yeah,
Message
DJ 2 ways. Check it,
Uthanda.
check him out bafethu.
Akaphitshelanga.
Echo, akuna flu ngoFebruary.
And the veil.
Never.
Scrutinize.
Not me. Never.
Never.
The way ngikho active ngakhona ngizithembile. Ngilivegile.
Mara yazi like yabona le podcast imnandi beka uSlender ushaya amavieni. Slender sicela usirespect Echo.
Podcastini Joe.
And uzifihla ngami makacela.
Okay, Slender. Okay, manje sisiba serious. Cela uyifake ukuthi do not disturb or cima idatha. Oh, futhi yazini. It's fine.
Angisho ngikhuluma imali emayo sabesidla sonke lana.
Sibesidla sonke. Yeah, exactly.
Yini phela ngicontrola
sonke.
kina master ndimo.
Sabesidla
Shayela
sonke.
rapport,
master.
Data ma ki data ya.
Master sabesidla sonke.
Sorry sis. So ucalile soyalwa ne.
Ani.
Toilet. Ish,
Not
ngicela
fighting.
uphume ukuze la ngaphandle
Siyakhanga.
bazokutshela.
Ubuza uMahlatsi la.
Mahlatsi uzokutshela.
Sabesithu vele nisekela.
Yeah, vele sikhona ukuchubeka i-podcast.
Hayi ngoba Joe kuni
40 minutes yonke sikhuluma mara sikhuluma nganiksi. Hambani.
So everything that was said was like,
Ngiyadlala hawo.
yo.
Uthanda ukuba personal lo. Ngoba ngiyokutshela ukuthi unamatswela amahle njengoba soloko ubhizi ngamatswele. Ubhizi ngamatswele these days. Yo. Ukhalela ini? Ukhalela amatswele lo mani? Asibe serious my brother.
My brother kenzakalani podcast ya today Joe. Please start.
Okay, no, let's wrap it up.
Yeah, we're about to wrap it up. Yo, best recordile and then
Recordile,
shit happened.
Gesi.
But fast. Did you guys see no exit camp is in disputes.
No,
It's
Siyabuya
having an
lapho vele.
internal dispute. We have to talk about it, my brother.
Yeah, I mean, I said it's mine, Ankere.
Okay, let me read fast. Seniyasazi story ngoba sikhulumile nto mara okay. Internal disputes within the no exit camp. A post
Yini levuliwa lapho ngaphandle?
I think
Champagne. Champagne mfethu? Hayi ngiyeza.
Oh, boy, ning disturb.
Skiza.
Pung ya rasa, pung ya rasa.
Iyarasa le.
Wait,
lapho siyeza.
wait,
my brother.
guys. Wait, guys. Okay.
guys.
A post was released claiming that their Instagram page has been compromised, but then a few days later, a statement was released stating that the page is in full control. The one that released the one in full control is the
main one.
page that's saying that it's been compromised. By the owners. This was said by owners, and they stated that there is internal dispute within the team.
Okay.
So you said something interesting. Tell us. You were breaking it down. Guti, what's going on?
Indaba yemali.
Mm-hmm.
Because obviously maybe khona la imali ngadistribute kangakahle. And then kwaba naleyo one athi oh bonhlonyela bo.
But la chile ta.
But chile to no. Bomorisa.
Yeah. Crazy.
Example I made was Mahlathi la ngaphandle was making a joke ukuthi entona sekubadla salary yakhe what. So basically if Mahlathi is fed up about that shit angacova mhlambe sesikuma ma 100k followers ne on Instagram acova le page leyo ayisebenzise for vlog yakhe.
Vlog yakhe, okay.
That's getting paid.
Makes sense.
So yeah.
But
I think that's what's going on. Slender said yena mhlambe we spoke about the thing ukuthi uthi yena le party le arrive because of ma2k.
So you don't go to no exit because of yabantwana abancane. You have any opinion?
Yeah, most of the time because somebody
Lula, any opinion?
Okay, as he's
Yeah.
Mordecai is from Dinwiddie.
UMordecai bekafunda uMordecai.
Yeah. So most of the
Udemthuda
time.
bekafunda phi?
Udemthuda akasemdala nkosi yami.
Bekafunda phi?
Ihuzu lela Hotman.
Okay.
Nibonile amalobola prizes
Singena phe
released
emalobeni.
by the government.
Singena ukuthi ngino metric anginamntwana it's 45k mfana.
Exactly.
45k. Is it 45k?
Mara minus 5,000 ngoba usi virgin.
Let me.
Ay,
Can I,
Marinyane.
We are not a virgin minus 5k.
Ay, Marinyane.
Put minus 10.
I have it there. Let me read.
Okay, read it, mate.
So what's it? 2026 lobola negotiations released by the government. Ne? Virgin plus degree equals to 70k. So year number one.
Yeah.
Non-virgin plus degree 50k.
Yeah. That's minus how many? 20. Monga si
One child plus degree or diploma 45k. Virgin plus matric 40k. Virgin plus no matric 35k negotiable.
Okay, asicalele phansi.
Slender group when?
No
So far.
matric.
Ugu top 5.
Ugu matric, no child, no virgin.
No child. Matric and no child.
This virgin man.
So agna matric and no child. Or matric, okay, we still going
It's
there. Number
25
6.
or 45.
Non-virgin plus matric 30k.
Yeah.
30k.
One kid plus matric 25k.
Government yasisiza yazi.
One kid
Spoon
plus no
amane,
matric
spoon
20k negotiable.
Negotiable ne brother.
2 kids plus matric, no matric.
Let's repeat up.
Since I won, yeah, it's a whole interesting. But anyway,
but then this was nice. This was
was
nice.
nice.
Tell us we next week, ne? Oh, mara next week we have LSD, ne?
Yeah,
I'm announcing it officially. Not. I know LSD. I want to announce something that's very serious. Next week we have LSD on the set.
okay.
And LSD is a events promoter, PR manager, and whatnot. Yeah, oh my God.
He'll tell us more about it. But
Yeah, he will
catch us
Yeah.
same time, same place next week. Yes.
What is this?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Oh,
Ngo 10.
Tuesday on 10.
Tuesday ngo 10.
That's the official date.
Official date, official
Tuesday
time.
on 10. We are
Tuesday on
dropping this
10, but
episode.
we drop every day. 10 p.m. ba?
Why ngaba
a.m. 10 a.m.
From me, your boy, Pretty Boy Popeye. Oh, Pretty Boy / Popeye from Chilanami. It's a rap.
Popeye Spinash saying goodbye.
Slender Lolula.
No, it's Kensane and Lula.
Lulu Money.
Bye.
Ama o isha pika it's a rap mo kapil.
Oh, my brother.
Yeah.